Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and import an HTTP custom cloud config link. This feature can help keep your configuration file from being easily accessed or modified by others, giving you an additional layer of protection when sharing your configs. So, let's get started. First, we need to install the HTTP Custom VPN app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for HTTP Custom VPN and tap Install. Depending on your internet connection, the installation may take a few moments. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll arrive at the main screen, where you can create a new configuration or load an existing one. For this tutorial, I'm using a UDP configuration with the UDP server details already filled in. If you don't know how to create a UDP configuration yet, check out my previous tutorial, where I explain the complete process step by step. Now, let's save the configuration. Tap the plus icon, or open the three-dot menu if you're using a newer version of HTTP Custom. Select Save Config, enter a name for your configuration, and, if available, enable the option to lock the settings before saving. At this point, we have our configuration file, but simply saving it on your device doesn't provide the additional protection we want. The next step is to upload the file to cloud storage. You can use different cloud storage services for this. In this tutorial, I'll use Dropbox. Open your browser, search for Dropbox, and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one first. I'll also provide the relevant resource in the video description. Once you're logged in, choose Upload Files and locate the HTTP custom configuration file you saved earlier. Select the file and wait for the upload to finish. After the upload is complete, open the file and copy its available link. Now, return to the HTTP Custom app. Open the hamburger menu to access the additional tools and features. Look for Short URL Maker and open it. Paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier into the appropriate field. There's an important step here. The standard Dropbox sharing link may not work directly as a downloadable cloud configuration link. You'll need to modify the link as demonstrated on screen so that HTTP Custom can access the file correctly. Once you've made the required change, tap Generate and wait a few moments. When the new link appears, copy it. Now we're ready to import the cloud configuration. On the HTTP Custom home screen, tap the plus icon and select Cloud Config from the available options. Paste the cloud config link you just generated and proceed with the import. If everything is configured correctly, the cloud configuration should load into HTTP Custom. Finally, review the imported settings and tap the Start button to establish the VPN connection. And that's it. You've successfully created, uploaded, generated, and imported an HTTP custom cloud configuration link. Using cloud-based configuration can make it easier to distribute your config while keeping the original configuration file from being directly shared. Always make sure you use trusted cloud services and protect your account credentials. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who may find it useful. For more HTTP Custom VPN and configuration tutorials, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.